Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome to my StoryPal review. I'm here inside the members area of StoryPal, and today I'm gonna give you a full overview of this brand new software. I'm also going to show you what the upsells are and how much all this costs. And on top of that, I got some really cool custom-made bonuses for you to help you get the best out of StoryPal. Now, in a nutshell, StoryPal is a brand new software that will help you create stories and embed them to your website. These stories are searchable via Google and will help you to get viral free traffic to your website just via embedding these stories. Now, before I go inside the software and show you how all this works, I have prepared some custom made bonuses for you. These bonuses are exclusive to me and me only, so they are not going to be available through everybody's link apart of mine. All you have to do is click the link in the description, come through to this page and click on one of these green buttons. Then you will be taken to the sales page. Once you pick up your StoryPal copy, you'll be able to access all my bonuses free of charge and delivered to you instantly. Now, what are my bonuses? My first bonus is going to be top 3 ways to make money with StoryPal. I'm going to show you the top 3 ways that all marketers use to make money and how to leverage this exact software to do that. My second bonus is going to be 5 other ways to drive traffic to your website. As I said, you'll be able to drive traffic via these stories to your website. I'm going to show you 5 other ways to drive traffic using this software. The bonus number 3 is going to be a tutorial on how to get or how to make attention grabbing stories. I'm going to show you how to make attention grabbing stories using the software. The bonus number 4 is on how to grow your email list using StoryPal. I'm going to give you a guide, or I'm going to guide you through on how to grow your email list and then promote products to this email list to make the best out of StoryPal. And my last bonus is gonna be all vendors bonuses. I'm gonna give you access to all the bonuses that the vendor gave to me to give to you. So all you have to do to get all these bonuses delivered to you free of charge is click on the link description, come through to this page, click on one of these green buttons, and then you'll be taken to the sales page to pick up your copy of StoryPal. Now, you have to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, all my bonuses will disappear and so will this page. So all you have to do is come through to this bonus page before the time expires and click on one of these buttons, and you'll be taken to the sales page and you can pick up your copy of StoryPal. Now let's go inside the StoryPal software. Once you pick up your copy, you're gonna be gaining access to the software right here. So you have the tutorial section or the training section. All you have to do first is click on the training section. You can watch all these videos that the software shows you how to use the software. So all you have to do is watch these tutorials on how to create projects, on how to add your custom domain, how to create stories, how to boost these stories, how to make ads, how to make stories for your ads. So they show you everything you need to know about the software and how to use it properly. We have first we have the project section, then we have the domain section. So you can add your custom domain right here. So if we check out one of these projects right here, if we open up, I'm sorry, this one doesn't seem to work. I don't know why. For some reason these custom domains are not working, so I'm gonna go to my projects and then I'm gonna click on add project. I'm gonna delete one of these because in the basic version they limit you to only a few amount of so I'm gonna name it test for the purposes of this video, and the test 101. Then I'm gonna click on save. Now once you add your project, you can go to your domains and you can add a custom domain if you want. So if you have a domain, if you have purchased a domain, you can add your custom domain right here. And the next part, all you have to do is click on my stories and we can initiate creating stories. Now you can create your own stories from scratch, or you can let this software go and grab or go and make stories for you just by adding RSS feeds. I'm gonna show you right now. So we're gonna click on add story. And once we do that, it's gonna load up right here. So it's gonna tell you on how do you want to create your story page. So you can either create it from custom, you can make it all by yourself from scratch. You can either choose a website, so it's gonna create a story from a specific article, a website, or from a specific RSS feed. Or you can use the done for you template. So I'm gonna use the templates right here. I'm gonna choose one of these templates. So they have like 20 or 30 templates for you in the basic version. I'm just gonna use this one because I like memes. So I'm gonna use this one right here. You're just gonna click on it. So as you can see, we have the story page right here. You can edit the image just by clicking on the image. You can edit the text. You can add another layer. You can add a page attachment. We have a lot of tools right here to edit. So this is a professional editing tool for your stories. You can either edit it via yourself. So I'm gonna drag the story right here. As you can see, this is a meme. I'm gonna make it a little bigger. I can add a text right here where it says text. I can either change this text or I can delete it. I can do whatever I want. So I'm gonna add a new layer and I'm gonna add the text. And I'm gonna delete this one. I'm gonna leave out just this one. I'm gonna drag it right here. And I'm gonna edit this text right here. I'm gonna click on layer option and I'm gonna edit this text. I'm gonna say cheers to you. This is just an example, guys. You can create stories, you can create memes, you can create whatever you want. They give you a ton of options right here. I'm really bad at creating stories, or I'm really bad at creating memes. I only know how to create marketing stories. So I'm just gonna do this one really quick. I'm gonna make this a little bigger. Okay, here we go. So you can add whatever you want. I'm just gonna say cheers. I'm gonna remove the font here. I'm gonna remove the colors in the background. I'm gonna make the text a little bit bigger. Okay, I'm gonna close these one, and you can, I don't know where to make the text a little bigger. So basically you get the idea, guys. You can add a background, an image, you can add a link, you can add a custom HTML code, a video, whatever you want. You can even add an ad slot to this is available in the upgrade. I'm gonna talk to you about the upsells in just a minute. So you can create your stories from scratch. You can do whatever you want. The possibilities are limitless. And if you pick it up via my link, you'll be able to access all these bonuses that will help you make more money, or they will help you make money using this StoryPal. If you don't already know how to make money with this, you're going to be able to grow your email list. You're going to be able to make attention grabbing stories. I'm going to show you on how to make that. I'm not going to show you on how to make memes because there's no point of making memes. You can make money by making memes. I'm also going to show you on how I'm also going to show you 5 other ways to drive traffic. So I'm going to show you on how to embed this on your website and drive traffic to these stories, and that will result in driving more traffic to your website. And the top 3 ways to make money with StoryPal. Once we create our attention grabbing story, I'm going to show you on how to make money with these stories. So basically that's it, guys. You can check out the training right here. I don't have I cannot show you everything in this video because it will take too much time. So all you have to do is, once you purchase this, you go to the training section and you check out the training for this software. Now let's talk a little bit about the price in the upsells. For the front end version, I don't know why it's written like this. It's $37 for the front end version of StoryPal. I don't know why it's written. I should change that. I'm gonna change that later. So it's $37 for the front end price. You're gonna be able to access the software and create your stories. You're gonna be able to access these software. And for the pro version, it's $67. It's the first page that will hit you. Once you purchase the StoryPal, you're gonna be hit with the first upsell, which is this one. It's the StoryPal Pro. So the StoryPal Pro, basically the StoryPal normal version is limited. So the StoryPal Pro gives you more features and gives you access to unlocking professional and advanced features, giving your subscribers the ability to do more with their story software. So you can do story analytics. You can check out the analytics for your stories. You can do email story stats weekly, standalone story blogs, custom menu and sidebars. You can add your tracking pixel, so you can retarget that traffic via Google ads or Bing ads or even Facebook ads. You can unlock unlimited stories. So they don't in the basic version, they don't allow you to make unlimited stories. You are limited. I think it's like 10 or 15 stories only. So when you buy the pro version, which is $67, you unlock unlimited stories. As for the upsell number 2, it's the deluxe upgrade, which is for $97. You're gonna get 10 new premium templates added monthly. So for the templates, they're gonna add 10 templates each and every month for these stories. They accept external ad within stories, so you're gonna be able to add external ads. You're gonna be able to serve and create ads within stories. You can also get your ad analytics to categorize your traffic, and you're gonna be able to connect and auto publish to social platforms. So that's really cool. You don't need to pick up this upgrade because my bonuses will cover you. I'm gonna show you on how to get traffic anyway. So if you want to pick up this upgrade, I advise you not to, but if you want to pick up just for the templates, you can go ahead and pick it up. It's $97. You also get to connect 10 additional domains. So the basic version like limits you to, I think, 3 or 5 domains. In the deluxe version, you're gonna be able to connect in additional domains. As for the upsell number 3, it's at 197. It's white label rights, so you're gonna get this software. They will give you the white label rights, so you can sell it as your own. You can either you can change the name, change the logo, change everything about this software. They're gonna give you access to the front end and the Pro and the deluxe version, all for $197. So this software will be yours. You can create software for you can create stories for clients. You can have teams. You can create client accounts. So you're gonna be able to sell this as your own software and remarket it, basically put your own brand on it. So that's my review. If you like to check out the demo of StoryPal, you can come out to my bonus page. This is the demo right here. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate, leave them in the comment box down below, and I'll see you in the next video.